Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you trade on smart money feature into Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Bitget Wallet application, and after opening this application, you just simply have to tap into more option. Now, into this section, you will get this Smart Money into Markets and Trade section. Just simply tap to Smart Money, and now you can select between networks such as Peanut, Caps, Maga and many more. Just simply select the suitable option by studying and reading about that, and I'm selecting this Caps for now. And after selecting that, you can easily buy and sell into this Smart Money section. Just simply select any of the suitable option that you would like to perform, and this way you can easily perform smart money transactions into Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.